This is it. Simon Says, poster child for all small wrestling right there. I don't think so.
Simon Says, wow, the poster child for all small wrestling. This used to be a man who I had some respect for, a little bit, because I like intelligent people, and you are, or at least I thought, an intelligent person, not like these people here. You're more like me, very special. But you see, you've been coming out here week after week with your little neck injury, and you've been whining, and you've been crying about Francisco Siazzo. And at the end of the day, I just don't have any respect for someone who's going to enter into a ring with me and try to take on somebody like me with an injury. That's stupid. What do you think I'm going to do to you, Says? What do you think I am going to do to you tonight? You think you're just going to walk home, you're going to be able to get in your car and drive and everything's just going to be okay? Is that what you think? What do you think? I want to know.
Well, now I can see that on top of your impressive resume of being a Kevin Sorbo impersonator, you look like a broke-ass Lex Luger, and now you have an interview segment, I see. I never realized you had so much journalistic integrity. What do I think you're going to do to me? That's none of my concern, son. Because you know what, with all these people here, they know that I've taken on guys bigger than you. I've taken on guys better than you. I've bled before, and I'm not afraid to bleed again. Because at the end of the day, whether it's you and your dominatrix boots, whether it's Frankie Capone and his fat pizza-making ass, it doesn't matter. My neck is none of your concern. My back is none of your concern. What is of your concern is me punching you dead in your face as soon as this bell rings.
That's what happens. How's your neck, huh? How's your neck, huh? How's your neck, huh? Too many quiet around. What is this? You people jam for him? What is this? Pathetic.
Oh,
think of you people thought it was two? They didn't have a working microphone in this place! What do you people know?
They don't even have a working microphone in this place. Referee! Come on, work one!
Learn how to count!
Watch his neck.
I like the dirt from your knees. I like the way you still set
Oh, poor Simon, what happened? What happened?
You're sweating up a tree out there, huh?
Look at him.
Knock your hands off me, fella.
Oh, poor Simon.
Look at this
Oh,
guy.
poor Simon, huh?
What a shame.
Poor kid. Oh, I'm really sorry.
What happened?
Oh, Nick, he's hurt. You're diabetic ass out of my ring, huh?
He's got a boo-boo.
Hey, here's right.
My neck.
Cut the music, jerk off.
Huh? You know you people love me. Just give it up for Francisco Chiazzo and the Dozen Two Social Club, huh? Simon! Oh, Simon! How's your neck and your diabetes, jerk off, huh? I don't see your rat out here tonight. Where's Laura? I see an empty seat right there. Where's Laura, huh? Where's Laura? Laura! Where's that rat? Huh? That's okay, because I got my own rat right here, huh? You like that, Cookie? You like that, huh? Huh? You want me to be like it through Laura, huh? Go ahead and get Simon Says back out here, huh? Simon Saver, come on! Come on, Simon! Come on, Simon, do what you do! Come on, big man! You pull away from me! Come on, Simon Says! You ain't got no balls! Come on, Simon! Jack his ass up! Come on, Simon! I like that, Simon! How's your neck now? You diabetic freak! Get up! How do you like that, boy? Oh, come on now! Come on, Simon! Dress like the other! Come on, Simon! Come on! Get your ass in the ring, boy!
Get him, Simon!
Get your ass in the ring, boy!
You were saying, Frankie?
Come on, Bertie, you woke up, man. Wake you up.
That is enough! 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 Chiazzo! I am sick of this food!
Let's take it in the ring.
Let him go! Let him go!
Bring him in. Let's go.
You want to put your hands on this little girl right here? Come here.
Ask Laura how I taste, you son of a bitch! Huh?
Ask
Like this, I
your mother how I taste.
I'm gonna kill your dumb bitch!
These people are sick and tired of you. I'm sick and tired of you. The real deal, Mike Cruz is sick, and Pretty Boy Castelli are sick. So here's what I say. Anytime, anywhere. I know you don't have the balls to face me one-on-one.
Right now.
Us three against you three ladies.
Right now!
Ready at any time?
Anytime you say
Right now.
You people want to see it?
Right now. Okay, so get him.
How about this? We up the ante. If you win, you never have to face me one-on-one in this ring, ever. But if I win, I get your ass one-on-one and any match I want. What do you say, Nancy?
I'm gonna break you in half, you diabetic son of a bitch.
Hey,
Shut up, Frankie. You got some cannolis in the back seat.
You people here, right here. Gus Money, Mike Cruz as my witness. FXC is gonna take the Double Deuce Social Club and send them right back to the Parliament House. And that's not just what Simon promises. That's not just what Simon guarantees. That's what Simon says. Because Capone, we are on what?
Another level.
South to South.
I feel bad for this guy. He's gonna get beat up next week.